Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing this video for two reasons: awareness, of course, and also being safe. And also, I'm going to take off my front motor that I had I made in a couple of videos. I don't know if I ever talked about my front motor, but I am taking off the front motor because turns out that the people that I got this front motor from, their controller is really bad, and the display just it messes up the display and everything like that. So, I don't know if I told you about this, but as you can see, I put a center kickstand instead of the one that was on the side that came with it. So the bike is pretty much looking really sick right now. I'm shaving off a lot of the weight that I don't need, and one of the weight is a motor. The motor alone is, I think, about 18 pounds or so. So I can shave off a lot. So I'm going to put the default one back on, which is really cool because it's mag wheels. Of course, the back is not going to be the same, but I don't really care. It's more about the weight at this point. Of course, all these are not going to come with this at the same time in the back because I changed my motor to a 3,000 watt instead of a 1,000 watt and a 1,500 watt at the back. So, yeah, I rewired everything. I got a horn. I got everything pretty much set. I removed the handle. I removed the wires on the handlebar. I removed the other trigger throttle over here. I put my horn over here so I can press my horn from here. Sorry if it's too loud. I moved my throttle over here, and I moved my my brakes from here to here. So it's easier to press the throttle, and the brake is just really a one hand when you press a brake anyway. So it doesn't matter how the link is on the other side. So then I move this down here, and I put my my two phones up here. The reason I have two is one for the music, and the other one's for in case somebody calls me. And yeah, so as you can see, so all I'm really doing is telling you about the update, where I'm just gonna change this. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I do have some really sweet tire removers, so hopefully that would work out. Oh, another thing, I crashed because I didn't realize how crazy fast this Sabaton controller is. I know a lot of people don't like the Sabaton controller. I heard they said it was really good before, but now it's not any good. But so far so good. I'm enjoying it, man. I didn't know how powerful it is until I fell on my ass. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys a video on that, but always make sure you wear your helmet. At the time, I wasn't wearing my helmet, but luckily for me, I had enough crash tests. Not crash tests, but I'm always knowing how to prevent myself in case of something like that. Because what happened was, on these motors, the old motors I had before, when I pressed throttle, it was so lame that I'm like, man, it doesn't get me nowhere. I'm 240 pounds. It's not going to get me anywhere, right? So I was thinking, I went into it like that, and that mindset that, oh yeah, it's not gonna get me anywhere. I'm not gonna go fast. But this is a wheelie. This thing will wheel you. I understand it's not only just a 3,000 watt motor, because I know how 3,000 watts are on my scooters and stuff that I sold off, but I didn't realize it was this strong. And it's 80 amps of current. So even though I only put it on half, I only put it on 60, I think. And that's even if it worked or not. But it is strong at level 3. At level 1, I think you go like 6 miles per hour. So if you want to go really slow, especially because I'm 200, you get like 6 miles per hour. Level 2, I think you get about, let me show you guys. I'd rather just show you. It makes it more easier. So I got